Since it is October, we are going to do a little hocus pocus carving. This right here is going to be the most detailed carving I have ever done. Came up with this design with my wife. She printed it out on her Cricut. We put it onto this piece of wood, taped it on the back. Well, we're going to hope for the best. Hopefully it comes out all right. Let me know what you think is going to happen in the comments below. Welcome back to Apparently I Know Nothing. This just goes to show you that woodworking does not always go right, nor does it survive an epic freak out. So this is what happens when your hose gets caught on the edge when you're trying to draw a circle and it gets yanked multiple times. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 times to prevent you from making a perfect circle. And the anger builds and you snap. Not only do you snap, but you snap! Yeah! Alright, so we're gonna work on something else. Y'all, if you want, you can stay tuned for that. But I think we're gonna stick with other designs because apparently I am not meant to do something like this. At least not with the router. Maybe with the Dremel next time. But what do I know? Because apparently I know nothing.